This video is not a joke, it is must for all. If you want to learn how to protect yourself, so don't skip this video. And this video is very helpful for you. So let's start the technique. If someone grab you like this, if he grab and twist your arm and lock your neck like this, then how to defend yourself. So we will show you the best technique. Watch the full video. Step number 1, when he grab you, you can see that he has my throat strangled with one arm while my hand is twisted with the other. So here, first of all, you have to grab his arm and pull it down like this so you can breathe. And do like this. Like this. Now here you have to bend your body backwards so that his weight comes over to your waist and he unbalanced. Now throw him down like this. Now here you can punch on his face. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the side angle. Yes. Step 1. This. Step 2 again. Punch. Guys, I'll show you this technique fast motion. Yes. Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.